Hello, my name's Wendy, and together with my husband Graham, we'd like to show you our Booth's garden room. We purchased the garden room back in April 2020, and it's an 8-foot by 8-foot square room. As you can see, we haven't a very large garden, but it sits nicely in the corner and doesn't encroach into it at all, so we are very pleased with it. We originally bought it to replace a wooden summer house which needed a lot doing to it, and so when we started researching to see what we would replace with it, we came across Booth's garden rooms, and what we liked was the sentence saying that it didn't need any maintenance for 25 years, so that suited us. But saying that, perhaps the odd dusting of the autumnal cobwebs needs to be done. Anyway, I'd like to tell you that we use our room mainly as a craft room. Graham likes doing stained glass, and I like doing various crafts as well. Let me show you. We think it's amazing what you can get into an 8-foot square room. We call it a little TARDIS. Anyway, I'll show you over here. We keep the materials where I do my crafts. And coming round, I have a table here, which is sort of a unit that unfolds and can unfold up to about 7 foot. So if I want to cut any large pieces of material. And over in this corner here, we have my husband's table, and underneath it all his cut glass, his glass to cut under there. So we think it's amazing. We were very pleased with these garden rooms. They were excellent from start to finish. The installation, they cleaned up after themselves, and we cannot fault how pleased we were that we purchased a Booth's garden room. Thank you.